Hi, I want to talk to you about this slim wallet. This thing is so cute. So it's a nice slim wallet. This is a very basic wallet that is just going to carry your essentials in it. So when you're carrying a backpack or something that you don't want to take up a lot of room, this is the perfect thing. So it's very sleek. As you can see here, you have this snap right here. Now they come in a lot of different colors, so you don't necessarily need the navy blue. But you open it up, and there's all these slots for your cards, and then of course there's this clear one here that you would put your driver's license and things like that in. So it also has two zipper pockets in here, for your money. There isn't a slot for your money, so you would put your money in these and zipper it up. It's just the perfect little wallet for travel, or you don't want to get too bogged down with a large wallet. It holds 16 additional cards above and beyond your ID in that clear packet. So this is just an essential little wallet, great for travel, and it just holds your basic items in it that you need. So it's a perfect little wallet for travel, and that's just my honest opinion.